Hi, hello there, and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to go through how to add and subtract fractions in our Dr. Frost examples. So let's jump on in. So this is the first question. We're going to look at how to basically change an improper fraction to a mixed number. So we're going to call the title to add and subtract. And this is done on the 6th of May. Get a bit of a highlight. And here we go. Pardon me. So question 1. We have 7/6. That's the same as 1 and 1/6, because that's how many times the 7 goes into it. Cool. So scroll down. Now question 2. 23/4. So question 2, we have 23 divided by 4. It's going to go 5 lots with 3 left over. In question 3, 41 divided by 8. That's going to go 5 lots and 1/8. Five lots and 1/8, which is what happened there. Then we got 5 4/7 to swap that back as an improper fraction. So 5 times 7 is 35, plus the 4 gives us 39 out of 7. And question 5. Convert 5 1/10. So 5 1/10 equals 51/10. Question 6. Work out 5/10 plus 1/10. So 1/10 gives us 6/10. Question 7, because the denominator was exactly the same, just need to add the top together. So 5/8 plus 1/8. Equals 6/8, which then can reduce down to 3/4. And same back here, I can go down to 3/5. Question 8. Give your answer as an improper fraction. So we've got 7/9 plus 5/9. It's going to give us 12/9. And they can both divide by 3, so it's going to give us 4/3, which is the same as 1 1/3. Question 9. Oh, I forgot my ruled line, sorry. There. 2/3 take away 1/3. Go 2/3 take away 1/3. And we get 1/3. Question 10. 10/12 take away 4/12. So 10/12 take away 4/12. It's going to give us 6/12, which is the same as a half. Question 11. 9/5, take away 3/5, going to give us 6/5, same as 1 and a fifth. Question 12. 1 take away 1/12. So 1 take away 1/12 is equal to 12 on 12. Take away 1/12, which then equals 11 on 12. Question 13. 7/10 take away 2/5. 7/10 take away 2/5. So it's going to be all over 10. 7 take away 4, which equals 3 on 10. Nine tenths plus a half. This is question 14. 9 on 10 plus 1 on 2. All over 10. 9, and we're going to times that by 5, so we're going to get 5. Which gives us 14 on 10. Then gives us 7 on 5, which then is the same as 1 and 2/5. Question 15. So we got 5 on 8 minus 15 on 32. So you're going to put it all over 32. 8 times 4 is 32, so 5 times 4 is 20. Take away 15, which then gives us 5 on 32. Question 16. So 5 on 8 times 15 on 32 equals 20 on minus 15 on 32, which then gives you the 5 on 32. Question 16. 7/8 take away 5/9. You got 7 on 8, take away 5 on 9. Now, because they're right next to each other, the lowest common denominator is going to be 72. So you're going to have to just times them by yourself. So you got 63 minus 40, which then gives you 23 on 72. I'm going to quickly just check that. I reckon you can. 72 divided by 23. Done. Question 17. A third take away 2/7. Again, denominator is going to be bad. So you're just going to have to make that all over 21. 7 times 1 is 7. It's going to give you 6. It's going to give you 1 over 21. Question 18. 7/9 plus a half. Going to put it all over 18. You got 14 plus 9. 23 over 18. That's going to give you 1 and 5 over 18. Yeah. Question 19. So we got 3.5 plus 3 5/8. So I'm just going to add the whole bit first. So we get 6 plus a half plus 5/8. And that way we don't have to do a mixed number for those, which makes your life 10 times easier. Plus, not 1. I'm going to put it all over 8. Times that by 4, so we get 4/8 plus 5/8. So then we get 6 plus 9/8, which equals 7 and an 8th. Question 20. So sorry, 3.5 plus 3 and 5/8. So add the integers together, which gave you 6. Then we've got a half plus 5/8. So it gives you 6 and 4 plus 5 over 8, which gives you 6 plus 9/8, which then gives you 7 and 1/8. Question 20. Again, I just do the subtraction of the whole parts first. So you have 4.5, take away 2 and 2/9. So 4 take away 2 leaves you with 1. 2. So you got 2.5 minus 2/9. Then I would go 1 plus 1.5 minus 2 on 9, which gives you 1 plus 3 on 2 minus 2 on 9, which then gives you 1 plus over 18. So you have 27 minus 4. I didn't need to bring the 1 across, so that's all right. So it gives you 1 plus 23 on 18, which then gives you 2 and 5 over 18. Done. Cool. So you didn't need to bring the 1 across there. You could have just done the half, take away 2/9 and be done with it. That's up to you to sort of judge and work out. So that's it for me. Hopefully you've picked up how to do the homework for your add and subtract fractions with Dr. Frost. They're pretty straightforward questions. Make sure the denominator is the same, and then you can add, or then you can subtract. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe, as it does help with that YouTube algorithm that we're trying to reach and get them the message that math is available for everyone. And yeah, thanks again, and see you next time on Steam It with Steve. Adios.